A major geopolitical development is unfolding in the Middle East tonight. The United States is trying to reopen one of the world's most important oil routes, the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump has asked global powers, including NATO allies and China, to send warships to escort commercial ships through the strait. But surprisingly, many allies are refusing the request. Here is the moment.
We all have a Donald Trump in our lives, someone who wants you to clean up their mess. Except in this case, the mess is a global energy crisis. Now, most of us knew that Iran would shut off the Strait of Hormuz in a war. It was always going to be their trump card. But reports say the US government did not prepare for this. They did not think that Iran would go that far.
You see, capitalism has finally reached the begging stage.
Begging, that is called diplomacy.
So the world police now needs backup.
This is why business must diversify.
Oh no! Diversify what? Wars?
Do you know what happens if the Strait of Hormuz closes?
Oil price goes up.
Fuel price goes up.
Matatu fare goes up.
Oh no!
Food price goes up.
And Dad still refuses to buy cooking oil.
Because capitalism inflated it.
Humans often think geopolitics happens far away. But when one shipping route becomes unstable, nearly 20% of the world's oil passes through this narrow waterway. If ships stop moving, fuel prices rise, transport costs rise, food prices rise, rent rises, jobs disappear. This is how global politics quietly enters your kitchen. While leaders debate warships, ordinary humans debate cooking oil.